Hello everybody, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope that all of you are doing great. I am also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. So dear lovely friends, today I have come here at this moment in our paddy field because I am watering in our paddy field. Dear parents, some days I cannot any making blog video and can't any practicing English video because it's a Ramadan month actually going on, and yesterday actually Ramadan month actually end, and in our Muslim community celebrated an Eidul Fitr, and it's a most most famous festival in our Muslim community. That's why I cannot any blogging video and any practicing video I cannot making. And today actually Ramadan month actually end, and today actually I make a video and after some days actually I am trying to daily making video for conversation video for English practicing video. And dear friends, my video actually not for good quality because I am a beginner speaker, and daily practicing video I am making, I am trying to show a good quality making video. And day by day I think in our English skills I think day by day develop because that time and when I start this language learning time, that time so many problems and so many shyness feel, and it nowadays I feel actually my skills actually day by day develop. And dear friends, my I have one YouTube channel and one Facebook page, and dear friends, my YouTube channel, please subscribe me and please support me, and because I am a beginner speaking and slow video making and daily upload in our YouTube channel. And that's why my Facebook and YouTube channel, please subscribe me and please support me. And dear friends, I am sometime conversational video making, and after that upload my page, and sometime English blogging video, and different place I'm going to different places, and that time this place explain that time, and after upload my page. So dear friends, and today I have come here at this moment, and I am trying to one video making, and I am not ready for video making purposes, but I am also trying one video making because it's a free time and spend time, and not spend time, but I have come here and watering in my paddy field, but in our machine start at that time I working my paddy field and also and making this video. It's a big opportunities for me. So that's all about me. Thank you. Next time, see you. Bye bye.